ISPE brings together scientists, engineers, innovators, and people who work in the biotech industry. And it's the place to be.
The ISPE presents a great platform for you to get your brand out there and to meet decision makers and other people in your industry.
I think this is a great opportunity for anybody that's in this business.
The number one benefit of exhibiting an ISPE for Cochrane Corporation is to network with clients and project partners, and which is a great benefit for us globally to enter into new business.
It's important to us to advertise and be involved with the ISPE because we've been partners with them since the beginning. We helped write the trade show regulations, and continuing that partnership helps us brand our company as an innovative leader along with ISPE to reach our customers and be involved with as much in the industry as we can.
This is one of the single biggest gatherings of clients around the world that we get everybody in one place. We have a lot of decision makers that show up at these events.
And there is no other opportunity to get this concentration of acquaintances and network opportunities that you get at ISPE Annual.
The return on our investment is very, very good, but it's also the experience that we've had with the shows in the past and the experiences we expect to get in the future. We really find it to be a very, very focused event that we've been able to maximize our use of the time.
I highly recommend you advertising and networking with ISPE and exhibiting at their conferences so your brand can be known and your company can be seen.
And I think for those companies that are in this business doing those kinds of services, this is a great venue to help them drive their business and their client base.
This is the start of where new innovations and new technologies begin.